If you're trying to figure out how to connect Binance to Metatrader 4, here is the truth you need to know first. There is no direct or official way to connect Binance to MT4. Binance is a crypto exchange while MT4 only works with brokers, not exchanges. So you can't log into your MT4 using your Binance account API key or wallet. Now, here's the workaround most traders use. Instead of connecting Binance directly, you use a broker that offers crypto CFDs and supports MT4. These brokers track prices very closely to Binance, so you can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other coins inside MT4, just not with your Binance balance. Another option you might hear about this is third-party bridges or connectors. These claim to link Binance or MT4 using APIs, but they're unofficial, risky, and often unstable, so they're not recommended. So the safe method is simple. Use Binance for spot or futures trading, use an MT4 broker for crypto CFD trading. That's the only reliable way right now. No direct Binance MT4 connection exists. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.